How to download DoorDash Dasher app. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Well, if you're on your iOS device, simply move into the App Store or move into Play Store if you're using Android. Once you're in the home page of App Store, in the search bar, search for DoorDash Dasher and then move into it. Now move ahead to this app. Right here, you should see the option of Get. Click on it and then click on Install. If required, you will need to scan your Face ID or enter the password of your Apple account. Now simply wait for a while for the application to be installed on your device. Once it has been installed, you will see the option of Open. You can simply click on Open and then open the application. Now you can follow the on-screen process and create an account, or if you already have one, simply sign into your account and then use the application. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.